In this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Facebook support. The first thing you want to do is to open your Facebook app, or if you are on a PC, you head over to facebook.com and sign in. And then you want to go to the menu down on the right corner. And then you want to scroll down to help and support, and then you want to tap report a problem. And here is a few options on how to do this. You can either, if you have a specific problem, you can go back to the problem and you can shake your phone. And if you want to choose that option, just tap go back and shake phone. Or you can go down to the bottom here and you can tap continue to report. I do recommend that you include the complete logs and diagnostics in your report. If you want to do that, just tap include. And here you want to choose the category that you have a problem with. Let's just, for the sake of this video, choose marketplace. And I will just write Of course, you want to have a more detailed explanation than this, but I think you get a point. And if you want to take a screenshot of your problem, you just tap take screenshot. And then you go back to where you have the issue. In our case, it's the marketplace. And when you have found your issue, you just tap take screenshot. And as you can see, now our screenshots is in our attachments. And when that is done, you just tap send up in the top right corner. So this is how you contact Facebook support. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.